Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, George. As we can see, we got a brand new winch here. It's the Badlands ZXR 12,000 and part number 63770. There was a few winches around the price range of $250 to $300. This one came out at $324 with tax, and I looked at a lot of reviews, and I just need something temporarily on my truck to help me lift some stuff using the gym poles I'm building. And then after that, it's just gonna go on the front or back bumper of this truck, or maybe the new rig that I bought yesterday. We're gonna do an unboxing just to make sure there's nothing damaged in here, and I need to take some measurements for the fairlead and the mounting bolts for the winch itself. So pretty much that's it for the intro. Let's take the box off. Alright guys, so first of all, we got the manual. Put that to the side. The hook, and then the little safety, forgot the name on this. I'll think about it in a few seconds. You know, you never want to have your hand in here because bad things could happen. You got the remote. Hopefully these pins survive. And I might try going wireless on this just for my my setup. These are the fuses, or temperature fuses. Looks to be about 4 gauge cable. Few nuts and bolts. Then we got the box, the solenoid box, all the wiring where we plug the remote in. And I was reading a review, and some guy was talking about how the wiring didn't match the manual, but we'll check that out later on. These two leads go to the motor itself. This one might be to the battery, and I'll just check the other ones in a bit. So I gotta find a way to mount this and the winch, the fairlead. And I don't know how to take this out. Alright, so I just got to verify these, the wiring later on. And quality tie wrap came off. Anyways, I got to take measurements for these mounting holes. So hopefully we're still there on camera. I actually thought it mounted a different way, but I guess the nut goes in through here on the top, and then your bolt, which means if I use this setup, I gotta stick to maybe 1/4 inch plate at the most, and I was gonna use 1/2 inch. So either have to go to the store, buy longer bolts, maybe a lot longer. I still got the other washers there itself, guys. So I'll figure it out, but so that's how the nut attaches in there. Oh, so the nut attaches on the inside. What's wrong with this phone? So you can see the nuts in there, and then the bolt goes right through it and just tighten it down. And we got several connections on here. Like I said, I just gotta confirm them and go from there. But right now I need the bracket done. Put the phone. And I had two options between the 9,000 to 12,000. The difference was this motor was a little bit stronger, and we also had this this deal here to hold down the cable so it doesn't go all wacky on you and spool off or turn to a bird nest, I might say. So here's some of the numbers there on the layers. So we're gonna be out about 10, 20, about 20 feet. This does have about 60 or 65 feet of cable, I believe. So we might be around the, maybe about the 8,000 or 6,000 pound rating. The 12,000 is only when you're at the first coil there. Once you start wrapping more and more, you lose a little bit of power. But I'm gonna be using this on 400 pound material to drag and lift or whatever. But pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Like I said, we got the cable there, the thermal fuses, whatever they're called. Our hook was our safety thing there. Our remote on off. Our solenoid box. And our fairlead. So any questions, guys, just let me know. But that's what you get in the package there, in the box. Like I said, this is 400 bucks. I used the coupon, came out at $2.99 plus 8% tax, $3.24. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. See y'all in a bit, and next video I'll probably be making them out for it. Bye bye.